Hey guys, what's up? I have an unboxing here, unpackaging of New England Fireworks Fun Bag. This was $10. And it's not that much in here. There's a few cutting edge stuff, some world-class stuff. So I have two of them. One's already open, so I'll put that to the side, and I have my brother here helping me. So we get a 6-pack of crackling balls by Cutting Edge, a 6-pack of color smoke balls by Cutting Edge, a Boomer fountain, Sassy Sally. These are really loud whistles. We did one not that long ago. It was really loud. A Cutting Edge box of snappers, a Cutting Edge tank, world-class flashing signals. Okay, I don't know what that is. We're gonna have to find out one day. Cutting Edge crackling ground bloom flower, 6-pack. This is a Killer Bee fountain. I just don't know by who. We'll just call it generic for now. A Cuckoo fountain by Boomer, and that is it. Alright guys, like I said, that was the New England Fireworks Fun Bag. $10. I got this at a 7-Eleven near where I live. Alright, thanks for watching.